Good morning to all. Chapter 8, Water Conservation on a Large Scale. There should not be excessive watering of crops in the fields. The crops can be spoiled by more water, and moreover, the water will be wasted. Water sprinkler should be used for irrigation. This reduces the wastage of water. There are some regions which get heavy rainfall and the destruction is caused by the floods. So, dams can be constructed to stop the floods. When there is less water in the river, the dams are helpful to preserve large quantity of water, and it is important to carefully plan the size, location and the use of dams. Rainwater harvesting. It is collecting rainwater for day-to-day use. In cities, we can see the rainwater flows directly into drains. So we should take steps that can help in harvesting of rainwater, and it needs to be done in every school, home, office and factory. The rainwater is collected in a tank and can be used for the daily needs. It can also be collected in large underground tanks from where it seeps slowly into the ground. This helps in increasing the level of groundwater. All of us must realize that every drop of water is important for sustaining life on earth. So we should take care to conserve water and preserve it for the future. We take a pledge to do a bit to save every drop of water.